Well, down here at the river walkway here on the Merrill Parkway, they're even kind enough to give us a little doggy treat machine here, and it's donated by the Tawanda Creek Animal Hospital. Hey Darla, do you want a treat? There's treats up here. You want a treat? See if I got a quarter for you. Come here. Oh, look at this. Look at this, babies. Come here. You get quite a handful for a quarter. Look at that. Come here. Darla J. Darla J. I found treats. Can you sit? Can you sit for me? No, sit. Stay. No, sit. Stay. No, sit. Come on, sit down. Sit down, stay. Stay. Sit. Stay. No, sit. Stay. They're not that great, are they? They're something, though. They're better than nothing. Oh, we need some ice cream. Well, it's starting to come down harder now. I think we're going to have to call for a ride home as hard as it's raining. Well, this is part 2 of our trip on the Merrill Parkway. Welcome to R&R Adventures, or you never know what we're going to do next. In the home of Darla Jean. Darla Jean.